Hi, my name's Munckhof. I'm from Munckhof Manufacturing. Just wanted to reach out to you today to talk to you a little bit about our rotary blade vine trimmer line. We've been talking with some of our customers and we've been asked the question whether our blades hold up in comparison to that of our competitor products. So what we've decided to do for you today is to take one of our blades and take a stainless steel style of our competitor blade, and we're going to run a few tests to just see how they hold up in side-by-side comparisons. Hope you enjoy. So for our first test, what we'll do is just a straight deformation test. We'll start with a control piece. This is just regular 3/16 mild steel. Another control piece. This is just your standard 304 series stainless steel. Then we'll test the competitor product. This is advertised as a stainless steel blade, but we don't know the exact composition of the material makeup, so we'll find out today whether it deforms or not. And then we'll test our blade. Our blades are a carbon steel, so that's why we have both steel and stainless steel control pieces. It's a Swedish steel. It's called Hardox 400. It's specially formulated for blades, dump bodies, and extreme service situations. So we're going to find out how it holds up against everything else. So the test is very simple. What we've done, we're just going to take the two control pieces to start. We're going to put them up in a vise, and we're going to test them just by giving them a whack with a 1500 gram mallet. We'll start with the mild steel, and then we'll do the 304 stainless. Okay, and next we're going to do a test on the two blades. So this is the Hardox 400 Munckhof blade. This is the stainless steel competitor version. So you can see here that there's absolutely zero deformation in the Hardox material, and the stainless steel blade has made a deformation, not as much as the mild stainless steel, but certainly a lot more than our product that we make. But in case you don't think I hit it hard enough, we can give her another go. Should I try it on the stainless? Because the other thing about this product, see, a lot of guys, they'll take a blade like this, hit a post, take a crescent wrench, straighten it out, and go back to work because, well, that's how farming often works. Stainless steel has a property of work hardening. The more you work it, the more brittle it gets. So if you take this blade and you straighten it out, and you bend it again and you straighten it out, there's a good chance it's going to crack. This steel is work hardenable, so it will not crack half as fast as this product will, which is another reason why we go with this product. It's a safer product for you. So some of you might argue, hey, you hit that one blade harder than the other, or maybe under impact loads the blades react differently. So for our next test, what we're going to do is we're going to put the blades under a pressure test. We're going to film the gauge and actually measure the yield strength of each blade under a hydraulic press. Okay, so we'll start with the control piece, the mild steel. Okay, next up, the 304 stainless steel control part. Okay, our next part up is the competitor stainless steel trimmer blade. And our last part is the Munckhof Hard Ox steel trimmer blade. So we've done the in-shop testing on these blades to see how strong they are. The next step is to take them out into the field and see how they perform on real-world conditions. I've been granted the use of this Munckhof trimmer and a few blocks of vine grapes to trim, and what we've decided to do is take the two blades and mount them in the uppermost position where they're going to see the most amount of work. We'll take them both out, we'll trim these blocks of vines, and then we'll come back and check again how the edge quality holds up and the amount of buildup that they sustain. Let's take a look. Okay, so I think we were able to conduct a fairly comprehensive series of tests, both in-house here and in the field. We were able to do an impact test with the hammer to check the impact resistance of both the blades. We were able to test the yield and bending strength of both the blades with our pressure test under our hydraulic press. We were able to put them out into the field and get some real-world performance information on both of the blades in terms of how they held up and the kind of buildup that they got from material in the field. On both the Munckhof and the competitor trimmer, we tested both the blades. So I think that the numbers should speak for themselves. I hope that you gained some information from our little test today and that it was informative for everyone involved. Thank you.